If not a political leader, what would you have been?
Actually, in my starting days, my ambition was become a cricketer.
The best advice you ever got?
No one is perfect and no one can claim that he is perfect.
If you were Arjuna, who would be your Krishna?
Neither I am Arjun and no one is Krishna.
The most inspiring political leader ever?
I have in my life three big leaders who are inspired and motivated me. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the George Fernandez was icon for me, and I am very close to Bala Saheb Thackeray. So the three leaders, their attitude, their approach, their vision, their behavior is always inspired and motivated me.
So 3 words to describe you.
Free, frank and fair.
One advice that she gave you that has had an everlasting impact.
She gave me many advices. Whatever I am in, whatever good thing which in my personality, it is because of my mother.
Your favorite food?
The street food I like it.
Do you get to eat that often now?
Yes. Now I am going to home. I will leave my all security and my 2, 3, 4 friends with 2 security person. My places are already fixed. I will go there. I enjoy in Mumbai. Mumbai is a city. Whatever the food which is available in Mumbai with a cheaper rate, you get never see this type of food anywhere in the world.
रहने के बाद ऐसे बॉम्बे के बारे में नहीं बोल सकते.
नहीं मैं बोलता हूँ दिल्ली में कुछ है ही नहीं खाने लायक. पनीर और आलू पराठा. Actually in my office transport bhavan we have 7 floor parking plaza and 8th floor there is a restaurant, Mumbai restaurant. Vada pav, pav bhaji, bhel, sir, everything is there. It's very popular now in Delhi.
Favorite classical singer?
Actually, I like Ghazal, I like Jagjit Singh, Ghulam Ali, I always listening Lata Mangeshkar. Then in Marathi, Arun Dathe, Sridhar Phadke, Asha Bhosle, Lata Mangeshkar.
One superpower you would like to have?
I don't want anything. I want to serve poor people. I want to do something for the society, to do something for the country.
I can't start my day without.
I'm doing exercise every day. Now I have reduced my weight by 35 kg. So now I have to maintain that and control on eating. That is very important.
Your favorite word or phrase?
I always remember one Sanskrit Geet. Manasa satatam smaraniyam, vachasa satatam vadaniyam, lokahitam mama karaniyam. First of all, we have to protect our family, our house, everything. But ultimately, we should think about the society, the poor people, those who don't have food, don't have cloth, don't have house.
What are you most proud of?
I am proud of my ideology, I am proud of my organization, and I have tremendous affection, recognition and respect for my organization and my ideology. I am very much committed for that.
Your dream dinner guest, dead or alive?
Every day I have a dinner with a different type of people.
Your favorite book, is there any?
In Mrutyunjay, written by Shivaji Savant on Karna, that was my favorite book. And I have a lot of books, particularly on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Your ultimate ambition?
No ambition. I am happy with my whatever is getting me. It is more than my capability. Now somewhere, every time I feel that somewhere I should stop. And now I want to work for the farmers who are making suicides. I am doing a lot of experiments in biofuel, making ethanol, sugar factories, and I am actually doing too much thing. And my dream is the day will come that there will not be a single farmer suicide in Vidarbha area. And that is one of the big challenge which is sensitively I am related with that.
What does success mean to you?
I never think about it. It is the people, they are the best judges, they are going to decide.
You're always smiling. Even if there is stress, if at all there is any, it never comes up in your face. What is the secret?
The people who are not thinking for their future, they are the happy people. I am not an ambitious man. Whatever I feel that whatever which I get it is more than my capability, I am happy. And I am never ambitious about the new thing. So because of the reason that I am happy, and whatever I get it without efforts, it naturally I got the opportunity. I was not keenly interested to go to Delhi, but my organization taken a decision, so I was very much annoyed. I was not ready to go there. I don't live Mumbai at that time. But today my destiny is Delhi. I am happy now. I am there.